Carvey is a new kind of 3D machine for making real objects out of real materials. We call it a 3D carver. Everyone has killer ideas. We've all seen things and thought, I can make that better, or higher quality, or I could just make it myself. We want you to be able to make it. That's why we created Carvey. We want you to be able to go from idea to finished product in under 5 minutes. So we broke it down into 3 easy steps. First, make your design. Design software can be hard to use, so we made Easel. It's easy to use, and it runs in your browser. The next step is to choose your material. Woods, plastics, soft metals like aluminum, even circuit boards. Pick whatever inspires you. The last step is, no matter what kind of maker you are, you click Carve, and it makes it.
Being able to design in a program and have that same program connect to the machine, just beyond amazing.
The steps involved has been cut down to near nothing. Now the idea is the focus.
We wanted it to be as beautiful as it is functional. So we reached out to Scott Wilson and his team of designers at Minimal.
People need to be able to jump in and use it and quit thinking about the tool so much and think about what they're trying to do.
Today, we finally have a prototype that we love. It's beautiful, it's quiet, it's clean, and it sits neatly on a desktop. But most importantly, it works great.
There are currently 3 main problems with the technologies used by our competitors: small printing size, long printing time, and low resolution. In terms of printing size, Titan One can print up to 9.5 inches tall with a 7.54 by 4.25 inch build base at 100 micron XYZ resolution, which is the tallest among all personal SLA printers. For the SLA printers out in the market today, to print a 9.5 inch Eiffel Tower with 100 micron Z resolution, it takes anywhere from 15 to 20 hours. With Titan One, it only takes about 7 hours. For a 4.7 inch tall Eiffel Tower, it only takes 2 hours. Last, but definitely not least, Titan One can print at resolutions that are 5 times better than FDM printers at higher speed. We can print pillar features as fine as a strand of hair. This small Eiffel Tower and the rings are printed at 37 micron XYZ resolution.
Titan One is the most flexible and adjustable desktop SLA printer for multiple purposes. Some 3D printers focus on resolution, but are only able to print small objects. On the other hand, other printers can only print larger objects while sacrificing resolution.
Titan One is specifically designed for users to easily make adjustments with the widest range printing sizes in the market today. Titan One is so flexible that it can print larger objects and can be adjusted to increase resolution and print smaller objects. Speed, resolution, and size can be optimized based on user preferences.
With the Titan One, you can be a creator for anything. Jewelry for jewelry designers, artwork for artists, models and prototypes for architects and designers, molds, parts, and prototypes for engineers and product designers, design and research models for teachers and students, and many other uses including prototyping and samples for small businesses and niche applications such as hearing aid molds and dental study models. A fun fact about Titan One is that you can easily take out the commercial grade HD projector and use it to project HD movies and have your own home theater.
In order to help spread the SLA technology, Kudo 3D further improves on 2 big problems with the current SLA process: reliability and cost structure. First, to improve the reliability and relax feature maintenance burden, we modularized the components for Titan One. Titan One is simple, elegant, and easy to use. We use high-quality DLP HD 1080p projector and industrial-grade high-precision ball screw linear stage that are used in semiconductor equipment. Kudo 3D's engineering team spent 16 months full-time to develop and perfect the patent-pending passive self-peeling technology to minimize the separation force of cured layers. TSP employs a flexible resin container consisting of 5 different materials to enable a self-peeling process that minimizes the separation force. Therefore, features as tiny as a strand of hair can be preserved during the printing process. Since our PSP technology employed Teflon, our container is immune to the attack of more reactive resin that happens to most of our competitors. Users can use materials from any vendors by setting proper exposure times.
"3D printers used to be big and bulky and cost hundreds of thousands of dollars. But what we've done with Robo3D is build a comparable machine that fits nicely on your desktop at an affordable price."
When working in the field of solid modeling, there's always been a divide between what you can imagine and what you can actually build, unless you've got some very expensive equipment. With Robo3D, you now are provided with the opportunity to build some intricate, precise pieces in the comfort of your own home.
So what is 3D printing? 3D printing is additive manufacturing that turns computer models into real physical things. It takes plastic, PLA, biodegradable filament, melts it into thin layers onto a surface, moves up and prints another layer, like a hot glue gun effect. After layer upon layer, you are left with a physical object that is very durable. You can use 3D modeling software such as SolidWorks, the free Google SketchUp program, or go to Thingiverse.com. Download free things that people have already created and print them out in your own home, office, or classroom. There's even an iPad app to help you create 3D models.
You can design anything from toys, model homes, household items, phone cases, laptop stands, camera mounts, figurines, replacement parts, gears, pulleys. The list is endless.
This is a great 3D printer for everyone, from beginners to advanced users alike. Our goal is to make Robo3D affordable, easy to assemble, and easy to use.
StepCraft is the next generation of desktop creative tools. It will inspire you by allowing you to go from idea to reality in just minutes. We all have great ideas, and bringing them to life is now possible for everyone. StepCraft is different because it can transform from one CNC machine into another in seconds.
Creating things has never been easier. To show you, we've broken it down into 3 easy steps. First, design your project. Now we know that no one likes learning difficult software, so we made StepCraft work seamlessly with top-rated programs that you already know and love. It doesn't matter if you're using CAD software or programs like Inkscape or CorelDRAW. StepCraft is universal. Second, choose your material and tool. With over 7 completely different interchangeable tools available, you'll never run out of possibilities, and the machine will never become obsolete. Click Start, and the machine will make it for you. It's never been easier to go from idea to finished product, and no tool gives you more options or capabilities. You can use the 3D printhead for rapid prototyping or to make thousands of useful projects that you can use every day. Turn your Dremel into a precision 3D carver and mill. The high-power spindle makes quick work of materials like aircraft aluminum, carbon fiber, wood, and of course plastic is a breeze.
The hot wire cutter makes working with difficult materials like foam sheets effortless, and it gives professional results in seconds. StepCraft will change the way you think. We've all spent countless hours trying to make things by hand, and manually holding a tool is far from precise and can often be dangerous. Whether you're a modeler, a business owner, or a parent looking to give your child the ultimate creative tool, StepCraft is the key to unlocking imagination, innovation, and success.
StepCraft was designed in Germany with 3 goals in mind. First, they wanted to create the highest quality, all-in-one CNC machine possible. All parts are designed and manufactured to aerospace tolerances, and many components are hand-fit from the factory. Second, it had to be easy to build and simple to operate. Assembly takes just a few hours and is a pleasure because of the world-class manual that takes you through every step of the way. 3, it had to be affordable. StepCraft, with all the optional parts, costs far less than what you may expect. What we've ended up with is a machine that's beautiful, quiet, clean, incredibly accurate, yet it gives you limitless freedom to create.
Hi, we're the team behind Tico. As inventors, we constantly use 3D printers to create and test our ideas. But every 3D printer we used fell short of our expectations. They were heavy, overcomplicated, and unreliable. We often spent more time calibrating our printers than printing our inventions. So we came up with a simple solution: Unibody. This is Tico, the Unibody 3D printer. Most 3D printer frames are built using separate rails. Unibody means the rails are built into the chassis, creating one solid piece. One solid piece, Unibody. And with this simple shift in design, all the problems that came from separate rail systems disappeared. More reliable and accurate, Tico sets a new standard for 3D printers. And it doesn't stop at Unibody. Tico has an internal filament tray, an enclosed build chamber, auto safety shutoff, a large print volume, a flexible base, wireless connectivity, and cloud-based software so you can print from almost anywhere on any internet-friendly device. With Tico, we've not only set a new standard for design, but for price too. Tico is only $179. Yup, $179. That's the beauty of unibody design. It's better and it costs less to manufacture. We could set the price higher, but we want everyone to have a Tico.